Diamonds are one of the most fascinating natural materials on Earth. Known for their brilliance and strength, diamonds are formed under extreme conditions deep inside our planet. But how exactly are diamonds made? Let's explore the process in a clear and direct way. 1. Natural diamond formation. Most natural diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle, about 140 to 190 kilometers below the surface. They are made from pure carbon, under extremely high pressure, about 45 to 60 kilobars, and very high temperatures, around 900 to 1300 degrees Celsius. Carbon atoms bond together in a crystal structure. This structure makes diamonds the hardest natural substance on Earth. These conditions existed billions of years ago. In fact, many diamonds are between 1 and 3.5 billion years old.
Part 2.
How diamonds reach the surface? Diamonds do not form near the Earth's surface. They are brought up by powerful volcanic eruptions. These eruptions create special volcanic rocks called kimberlite and lamproite. The most famous diamond-producing regions include South Africa, Russia, Canada, Botswana, Australia. Miners extract diamonds from these volcanic pipes or from riverbeds where diamonds have been carried by water over time.
3.
Diamonds from space. Some diamonds come from outer space. Tiny diamonds have been found inside meteorites. These diamonds formed under high-pressure conditions during asteroid impacts. This shows that diamonds can also form outside Earth under extreme cosmic pressure. 4. How lab-grown diamonds are made today. Diamonds can also be created in laboratories. There are two main methods: HPHT, high pressure, high temperature. This method copies the natural formation process by using high pressure and high temperature to turn carbon into diamond. CVD, chemical vapor deposition. In this process, a small diamond seed is placed in a chamber filled with carbon-rich gas. The gas is heated and carbon atoms slowly attach to the seed, forming a diamond layer by layer. Lab-grown diamonds have the same chemical and physical properties as natural diamonds. 5. What makes diamonds so special? Diamonds are special because of their extreme hardness, their ability to reflect and refract light brilliance, their durability, their rarity, natural diamonds. The unique crystal structure of carbon atoms is what gives diamonds their strength and sparkle. Conclusion. Diamonds are formed from carbon under intense heat and pressure deep inside the Earth over billions of years. Volcanic eruptions bring them closer to the surface where they are mined. Today, scientists can also create diamonds in laboratories using advanced technology.